Hariom sir. So
Hari Om.
my question is like, so you're like, I am complete, and like every human being.
Are we?
Are,
Are you? Are you? I mean, that's what they say. Okay.
fine, fine. Just I will imagine myself. I am complete.
Okay.
So is the completeness is with this like no, I can't even define myself. Like, if I am complete, every being in the universe is complete. Then complete in what sense? Is the saguna or nirguna? So I can't even give any characteristics for that. So it's very like it's not easy to understand or imagine at all. How to understand?
What I was trying to say is that we don't know if you are complete or not complete. We don't know, right? All we know in this life is that we are incomplete. We can imagine that we are complete, but in day-to-day life we are incomplete. If we are not incomplete, why are we trying to complete? So when I say I am the total completeness, I can only speculate. I don't know really. I am actually incomplete. True, fact. But this incomplete is trying to reach and expand into completeness all the time. So is looking for that completeness. What we are saying, that completeness which you're looking for is right with you. You don't have to look for it outside. That's what we're trying to say. Turn in. In Vedanta, there are two terms. One is called the Pravritti Marga, moving outward. The other is called Nivritti Marga, which is turning inward. So we are saying, while in this world you have to turn outward for many activities, when you want to find your true self, you need to turn inward. That's what I am trying to say. And only when you have found it, you can say I am complete. Otherwise you cannot say. Otherwise we are always incomplete.
I mean, like even if I am complete, I can't even talk at all.
Exactly. Some people who have touched that completeness have become silent because they don't know what to say. Really. Many people like me who keep talking, I think we are not reached. Some people just keep quiet. Ramana Maharshi is a typical example. He hardly said anything because there was no point. There was no point. But in this, there is a beautiful story. Huh? Once upon a time, apparently, when Shankara was traveling in Karnataka area, a family came, Adi Shankara, a family came and told him that there is a boy in our family. He is 8 years old and he has not uttered a word. Huh? So can you come and bless him? Maybe he'll start talking if you touch him or something. You are a great yogi, so on and so on. Shankara said, I will try. So he went to his house. There was this boy, 8-year-old boy, sitting in one corner, hunched up like this, looking down. Shankara went to him and said, why don't you talk? First time the boy talked. He asked him about what? About what? Then he said, words cannot describe the truth. Whatever words I say is untruth, so I don't want to say untruth. I'm quiet. What do you say? Now, Shankara said, I think you're ready to come with me. So he went with him. And he named him Hastamalaka, which means one who had the entire teachings of the Vedanta in his hasta, like an amalki fruit, like a nellikya, So he called him Hastamalaka, and he was one of his most prominent disciples afterwards. So it is true, Upanishads, yadvachana bhyutitam, that which words cannot describe, but then we have to say something, right? I can't shut up and say, then what will I say in the institute? I'll come here and stand. Once I went to a talk in Germany. Interesting. It was called The Power of Silence by a well-known person who wrote The Power of something else. When you put power, everybody reads. Everybody wants power. Anyway, so it was called The Power of Silence. So I went. He sat there and we sat here. Nothing happened. There was silence. I looked at him, he looked at me. My German friend was sitting. After 10 minutes, he said, I think I go have a beer. I said, wait, relax. So he looked at me, I looked at him, and then everything was over and we came away. Power of silence. I can't do that here, right? You're spending so much time coming and sitting here and you're doing something else. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Prem.